Okay, let's look at the homework 4.3, 4.4, number 12. Right, so we want to solve this equation involving a natural log. Right, so let's do that. Right, so first thing we would do is I'm gonna put those two logs together. Right, so addition outside becomes multiplication inside. So you have a natural log of, right, I'm going to go ahead and multiply them together. So you have x times x is x squared plus x times 8 would be 8x, right, is equal to 0, right? Then we can raise e to the both sides, right? So you have e to the natural log of x squared plus 8x is equal to, right, e to the 0, which is going to be just 1, right? So you can see that you have an e here, and natural log cancel out. So you're going to get x squared plus 8x is equal to 1, right? Then we have, we can just subtract 1. So we can put this 1 on the other side. So you have quadratic equation x squared plus 8x minus 1 is equal to 0. All right, I don't think I can factor this out nicely, so I'm going to use a quadratic formula to find x. All right, so x is going to be equal to, all right, negative b, so b is 8, negative 8, plus or minus square root of, all right, b squared, so it's going to be 64 minus 4 times a is 1 times c is negative 1 all over 2 times a is 1, right? So then you can just simplify that. So that's going to be negative 8 plus or minus square root of, right, 64 plus 4. So it's going to be 68 over 2. All right, so let's simplify 68. So what's 68? So I'm going to do it up here. So 68, right, it's going to have 2, so 34, and it has 2, 17, right? So this is same thing as 2 square root of 17, right? So we can simplify it as negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4, right? So plus or minus 2 times square root of 17 over 2 is square root of 17, right? Since natural log cannot take a negative value, so the negative 4 minus square root of 17 is definitely negative. So we only consider x equals negative 4 plus square root of 17. All right, so that's going to be the x value. So let's type it in. All right, so round to 2 decimal places. Okay, so we have to get the value. Okay, bring out a calculator. So that was negative 4 plus square root of, oh, oops, sorry, that's not what I want. Square root, I can't see. Yeah, oh, shoot. All right, square root is right here, sorry. Second square root of 17. All right, then get the value. All right, so it's going to be 2 decimal places, so 0.12. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, looks like we got it correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.